What's up, guys? It's Legend, and this is my 100K journey. Come follow along. Let me show you my trades. Let me show you what I'm thinking. This is just pretty much just to show you and join our community. If you want to learn what we're doing, what we're thinking, join my Discord. Give me a like and sub. We're up 30% this week. We are also 58% last month. We swing trade, super easy. This is continue of my day trade of this last Friday. I'm going to show you what I was thinking, what I was going to do, and what my plan is. Let me show you how to really use your day trades, right? So we sold our TQQQ up here. We bought SQQQ. I'm not betting to sell in the same day. I'm betting to hit this graph right here because we do graphs. We follow graphs. That's how you base your trades. See right here, the NAS, we are expecting, it to make a fifth leg lower. That's what I'm hoping for. That's why I bought SQQQ. I want this fifth leg lower. Because if the NAS drops, the Qs drop, everything drops. It's the same pattern, same layout. That's what other YouTubers don't talk about, and that's what I'm trying to show you. Like this. This is SP 500 60-minute chart. This is what it would look like if we had a fifth leg lower, right? That's what I'm hoping for. Now, we could bottom out here. We're getting close to the bottom. All the indicators saying we're getting close to a bottom. Right here on the blue line right here, we're forming a bottom, right? We've hit our gaps. We've hit gap fills. We got rejected on the gap fill. Actually, we have a gap up here, but we're getting rejected hard. We did have a really strong green day, but usually we get a 50% retracement. So we had a really bad red day. It's a common thing. But the main goal is this fifth leg lower. And let me show you. This is SPX. So this is the market in 2008, and this is the market now. The red line is 2008. And no, sorry, the black line is 2008. The red line is us. This is what I'm hoping for. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but this fifth leg lower, if we do, copy this, because we've been copying it for a long time, months now, on point. If this does happen, I caught this trade on video, a lifetime opportunity trade. Now, if this does happen, that'd be awesome, but I'm looking for a fifth leg lower, really. So that's why I jumped into SQQQ. I'm riding it down. Now, let me show you what I meant about a buffer zone. Now, stop losses, they can mean different for a lot of people, but let me show you how I use my stop loss in my 3-day trades. You shouldn't day trade with them. That's not what they're meant for. Let me show you. Also, side chat, this is what I meant. The fifth leg lower. This is what I'm hoping for. This is SPX, by the way. So today we sold our TQQQ up here. We bought SQQQ, and then we started to come down. Now, this is how you trade on a green day like this. If it jumps up like this and starts to drop, you want to, sorry, I've been sick. You want to look for support. Now, if this can hold in the support, usually it'll come up again, and then you can get another chance to buy SQQQ if you plan on following the graphs. You usually get a run up and then a small drop. You want to look for that peak to rebuy in for that day if you get a drop like this. Now, if it breaks support, just ride the wave. But listen, I made 9% today, right? Now, this is my buffer zone. Now, I made a lot of money that day, but don't be one of those traders that you're not willing to lose your profits, because in the long run, you're not going to succeed. What you want to do is you want to use this as a buffer, right? So let's say the market does recover. I missed the bottom, right? The market doesn't make its fifth leg lower. It bounces right here and it just goes up, right? It's okay, because when I bought at $58 and then it jumped up like this, when this goes up, I still have time to sell. And if I think the market's still going to drop and make the fifth leg lower, because if it does, it's going to drop the Qs. Like I said, the NAS and QQQ is the same thing. It's the same layout. Go check it. Now, it's not the same score or anything like that. You know, you don't have to be one of those hothead, oh, it's not exactly. I'm talking about just the style, like how it moves. You know, like the bull runs, you know, the bear runs, they're almost the same. But like, let's say if I do miss the bull run, right? This goes up. I can sell my QQQQ if I think it's a bull run and jump into TQQQ, and you don't lose anything. You could still walk away with some. But like, let's say that it does come up and I still think it's going to drop. It's just a bull run that day. You know, if I bought at $58, right? So if I bought right here and it runs up to here, but it comes back down to here, this right here is my buffer zone. I can sell, take my money, and then let the market go up and then rebuy into SQQQ. And then you don't really lose anything. You just lose a little bit. And then you can ride this fifth leg lower if you miss the chance to buy. That's how you trade. Now, I'll go in more detail. I made a Discord if you want any private lessons for free. No, I don't charge. Come hang out. Honestly, I'm going to make an episode, you know, a 3-part series on how I trade for the week and what to look and graphs. Come check me out. Sub. Thanks, guys. Oh, by the way, thanks for the 15,000 or 1,500 views I've gotten in a week. And this channel is only 5 days old. I really want to help people. Thanks.